I think that stress and tension is a man-made phenomenon. Man-made phenomenon. It is not natural phenomenon. So what is the crux of this matter is that we are living here in a world that is a limited world, but our desires are unlimited. So we want to fulfill our desires in an unlimited way, but as world is limited, sources are limited, so how you can fulfill all your desires? It is impossible. So the only formula to achieve peace of mind is contentment. Contentment. But people are not ready for contentment. They always want more and more, more and more. Whereas it is impossible. So we live in a contradiction. Our desires are unlimited, but the world is limited. Sources are limited. Also, we are living in a world of competition. So we cannot achieve all those desires. So you have to be realistic. The realistic approach is that you have to adopt contentment, formula of contentment. This is a realistic approach. It means that why you bother about that thing which is impossible to achieve. It is impossible to achieve all those things we desire. Simply it is not possible because world is limited. So you have to be realistic. You have to adopt the formula of contentment. So tension and stress is only the phenomena of failure. Failure. When you are not ready to adopt the formula of contentment, then you are bound to pay the price in terms of stress, in terms of tension. So I think that simple formula of saving yourself from tension and stress is that you have to adopt the way of contentment. Then you will enjoy peace of mind.